Hi everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Plus, the channel that helps you master everyday English through real-life situations. Today's video is all about a common but very important scenario, taking a taxi to the airport. Whether you're a traveler, a language learner, or just someone who wants to get better at everyday English, this episode will show you how to navigate conversations, deal with unexpected problems, and connect with people in the most natural way. Okay, let's go. All right, passport, check. Tickets, check. Just need to grab my backpack and ride the scooter to the airport. Oh no, seriously? Not today. The engine's dead. I can't believe this. Okay, no choice. Gotta book a taxi. Hey, Chloe. Just wanted to say I'm heading out now. My scooter died, so I had to book a taxi. Yeah, classic Emma luck, right?
At least you didn't lose your passport this time. Safe trip, girl.
Thanks. I'll call you when I land. Let's see. Book a taxi to the airport. Estimated time, 35 minutes. Should be fine if traffic's not too bad.
Taxi notification. Your driver is 2 minutes away. Good morning. You must be Emma.
Yes, that's me. Thanks for coming so quickly.
No problem at all. Heading to the airport, right?
Yes, my scooter broke down, so this was a last-minute change of plan.
Happens more often than you'd think. Hop in.
This is actually my first solo trip abroad. Kinda nervous, but excited.
That's awesome. Where are you flying to?
Tokyo. I've always wanted to go. The culture, the food, the cherry blossoms.
Sounds like an amazing trip. I was there once, 20 years ago. Loved every second.
Really? Any tips?
Always carry cash. And learn a few basic Japanese phrases. Locals really appreciate it. You mind if I play some soft jazz?
Not at all. Music makes everything better. You know, I often try to understand English lyrics. Sometimes they use metaphors that I can't quite get.
Want to try one? Let's break it down.
Actually, I'm trying to improve my English too. This ride is a good chance to practice.
You speak very well. But yeah, practice is key. Do you watch English shows or listen to podcasts?
I watch your channel, Fluent English Plus, actually.
Small world. Keep it up. Real conversations like this help a lot.
Oh no, we're cutting it close. Can we go a bit faster?
I'll do my best. Let's hope traffic's on our side. Oh, looks like there's an accident up ahead.
Oh no, what if I miss my flight?
Let's stay calm. Sometimes, there's nothing we can do but wait.
Hayes, do you ever get tired of driving every day?
Sometimes. But conversations like this keep it fresh. You learn a lot when you really listen to people.
Like being in a moving confession booth.
Exactly. No judgment. Just the road and two strangers talking.
Looks like we'll get a little rain.
Spring showers. At least it's not snow.
True, in my hometown, Even a little snow and the whole city shuts down. Can I take a photo with you? This ride was honestly one of the best parts of my day.
Sure. Just don't post my bad side. And here we are, just in time.
Phew, thank you so much. What's the fare?
$42.
Here you go, and keep the change. You deserve it.
Thank you. Have a wonderful trip, Emma.
Take care, and thanks for the English practice. Back to reality. Can't believe it's already over. Now, just one last ride home.
Well, look who it is. The Tokyo Explorer herself.
Mr. Tom, no way. You again?
Yep, still driving. And apparently, the universe wanted us to ride together again.
This is unreal. What are the odds?
So, how was Japan? Was it everything you hoped for?
Even more. I got lost on the first day, tried sushi that almost made me cry, and walked 20,000 steps daily, but I loved every minute.
Sounds like a great adventure. Did you use any Japanese phrases?
I did, and I remembered your advice. People were so kind.
See, told you. Travelers who speak a little local language always get extra smiles.
And guess what? I kept a little travel journal in English. Helped me practice.
Smart move. Bet your English is even better now. Here we are, home sweet home.
Thank you. Again, this ride was the perfect ending.
Let's hope the next time we meet, it's on purpose, not by accident.
Definitely. Here's the fare.
Let me guess, you'll say keep the change again?
You know me too well. Take care of yourself, Mr. Tom. Stay safe on the road.
You too, Emma. Keep chasing stories and learning something new every day.
Goodbye. And that was today's episode from Fluent English Plus, taking a taxi to the airport. Remember, it's not just about learning words, it's about living the language. Conversations like these prepare you for real-life moments, from small talk to deep chats in unexpected places. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and stay fluent.